In this video, I will teach you 2 ways to tie a clove hitch. Please like and subscribe the video. Method 1. First, you pick up the rope and go over to the pole. Wrap it and form an X. Afterward, grab the working end. Go under the X and pull. And here you go, clove hitch. Next, I will show you the next method. Use the left side of the rope, go over to the right. Next, on the right side of the rope, go over to the left. Now you will see 2 loops being formed. Next, bring the right loop above the left loop. Hook it into the pole, or anything you wish to tie clove hitch on. Lastly, pull a clove hitch. For this method, remember this phrase: left over right, right over left. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.